Hello, I am Rosie from Sam's Detailing, and today we're going to be talking and looking at Sam's drying towel, which is now back in stock. After 4 months of waiting, it is finally back in stock. We are so happy. We have had a ridiculous amount of orders. So let's show you why it's so good, why you love it so much, and why you should buy one. So the reason why Sam's drying towel is so popular is due to the design of the fibres. It's basically a twisted loop technology which takes a 6cm fibre, folds it in itself to make the water really absorb into those fibres, and it really twists it and traps it basically. And it can take about 3 litres of liquid in this towel. So even if you don't have a ceramic protection on your car or no ceramic booster or anything, it will still take that liquid and it won't be a problem at all. It will absorb the liquid easily.
But you should always aim to have some protection when drying your car, as there's less chance of leaving water spots. If you feel that the drying towel is weighed down a bit and not picking up water as well as it was doing, just wring it out and keep going. To increase the longevity of your drying towel, use microfibre wash every 3 to 4 uses. Fill the detergent cup with a little bit of microfibre wash and put on a 40-degree cycle. And always leave the towel to dry naturally.
So ultimately, the huge surface area and the twisted loop technology make sure that water is absorbed instantly across one swipe of your panels. It will literally absorb that water and you will have a dry car in a couple minutes. So that's it. That's all the information wrapped in a little burrito. So you're ready to go. Buy your towel. Have a good time. Live your life.